Okay, so we're just going to ask you a few questions. What first brought you in?
We first came because we pretty much ran out of, we needed help. My daughter was diagnosed with CRPS, which is Complex Regional Pain Syndrome.
Okay.
And we had been to 6 or 7 doctors. We'd been to Doctor of Orthopedics. We'd been to the family physician twice. We'd been to Children's twice. And she was not getting any better. And she was put on medications that had us concerned because they were neurological medications that I really didn't feel that she should be taking. And she was taking these medications and she was not getting any better. So we pretty much ran out of options. My husband came home with this ad from a paper. And we were at the point where we really didn't have anything else to lose, you know, by trying it.
Sure.
So that's kind of what brought us here.
Okay. And then you mentioned that the doctors, you even did a follow-up between our first visit and our second visit when we were talking about what we found and went over the results. So what did they want to do?
They wanted to up her medication, actually. And I actually wasn't at the appointment. My husband was. But I think the thought process was they were going to up her medication to shut down that part of the brain so that it would reprogram itself. Is the way it was explained to me.
Exactly, yeah.
So I really didn't want to do that because the medication she's on, or she was on, she's not on it anymore, but the medication she was on was already, I think, just way too much for anybody, even especially a child that young. So we just decided to come here, and actually it worked.
And we started treating her, and we even showed you some of the tests that we did, and you could kind of see with the eyes. What were the results in the first, it's been less than a month now.
Well, she can walk now without crutches. She's not in pain anymore. She was in constant chronic pain all the time, 24 hours a day. The pain would actually wake her up in the middle of the night. She would wake up some nights. And from the time she woke up in the morning, the time she went to bed, she was always in pain. So the pain's gone. She's able to walk again. And hopefully she'll be running soon.
Yes. So it's only been about 3 weeks or so.
Right.
And how long had she been suffering with it before you first came in? You said months and months.
It had been months. It had been at least 3 months, maybe.